In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a public profile here on Snapchat no matter which device you're on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, begin by opening up the Snapchat app and you're going to land on the camera screen first. Just tap your profile icon up in the top right corner or top left corner depending on your device, and you're going to be on your account page right here. What you're going to want to do is under your name and username, you'll see a my account and public profile section. Go ahead and select public profile and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. If you've never created one before, Snapchat's going to prompt you to set it up. So enter in the name for your public profile. This can be a name, a brand name, whatever it wants to be. From here, you just got to confirm it and your public profile is now created. Now, once it's set up, you're going to see three main sections. You're going to see stories, spotlight, and insights right here. You can add snaps from your camera roll or archive to highlight on your public profile. These will stay visible for people who visit your profile. But Spotlight is essentially Snapchat's discovery feed, and you can post public videos on here that people can, find your content from. Using captions and hashtags can obviously help more people discover you. And then Insights will just give you a little bit of insight into, your content. You could see views, audience activity, popular posts, basic audience information. This is helpful if you're trying to grow. But you could also hit this little pencil icon right here to customize this, like 9K subs. That's a little outdated. We're almost at 17K, but we're going to put 16K plus subscribers right here. And boom, we are good to go. But yeah, that is how you can create and set up a public profile here on Snapchat. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.